Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to easily pin a space on Gmail. This is a handy feature that helps you prioritize the chats that matter most. So, let's get started with the steps. First, make sure you have the Gmail app open on your Android device. If you haven't updated it yet, now's the perfect time. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Chat tab. This will take you to all your ongoing conversations. Now, locate and open the space you want to pin. Spaces are a great way to organize group chats and ensure everyone stays connected. Once you're in the space, glance up to the top of your screen. Here, you'll see the name of the space listed. Tap on it to proceed. Finally, look for the option to pin. Once you tap this, your space will be pinned at the top for easy access. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned your space on Gmail. This simple feature helps keep your important conversations at your fingertips. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.